Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. In this video, I provide the answers to the previous quiz for my plant physiology class.
Quiz number 14. 1. Auxin is, and the correct answer is D, all of the above. A plant hormone. B, transported basopedally. C, a chemical messenger that can stimulate growth. 2. Gravitropism is E, none of the above. 3. Auxin can affect A, fruit size and shape. 4. The acid growth hypothesis provides a model for C, cell elongation. 5. Apical dominance results in the inhibition of B, axillary bud activity.